Dear children, I hope you all are doing good today. This is your maths class. Today we will learn about addition. Addition is so much fun. Are you ready to learn? Let's start. What is addition? Addition means to put together. If you have 3 apples in basket A and 3 apples in basket B, so if you put all these apples from basket A and basket B together, then what happens? Addition. This is addition. What is the sign of addition? The sign of addition is plus. You can see here in this picture. I want to tell you one more important sign. Yes, you can see this is equals to sign. And this is the way we use plus and equals to sign in addition sums. We put plus sign between those things that we have to add, and we use equals to sign to show the answer. Other names of addition are sum, total, increase, together. In addition, number or quantity increases. See, if you have 2 bananas and I give you one more, then how many total bananas will you have? Yes, you will have total 3 bananas. Let's learn addition by some more examples. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Now you can see this is one way of writing addition, and I am going to tell you other way of writing an addition sum. You can see in this we have T and O written. T is for tens, O is for ones. We are going to add 4 and 1. So, as you all know, 4 and 1 both are one digit numbers. So, we will write them in ones line. See, first I have written 4, then I have written 1 below 4, and we will put a plus sign. Then we will add 4 and 1, and answer is 5. So this is the other way of writing an addition. Let's learn it by one more example. See, here we have added 6 and 3. 6 and 3 both are one digit numbers. So we will write them in ones line. So you can see first I have written 6, then I have written 3 below 6, and we have added both the numbers. And answer is 9. What happens when we add 0 to a number? Yes, answer is number always remains same. You can see we have 3 apples in basket and we are adding an empty basket. So there is no change in the answer. Now look here. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So you can see if you add 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, answer is always same. Answer is 3 birds. So in addition, answer always remains same. If you add 1 to 2 or you add 2 to 1, answer will not change. What happens when we add 1 to any number? If we add 1 to 4, what will happen? Yes, we will get the next number. See, if we add 1 to number 4, we get number 5. Similarly, if we add 1 to number 2, we will get number 3, which is the next number of 2. So, we always get the next number if we add 1 to any number. Now, are you ready for your quiz time? Okay, let's start. 4 plus 1 equals to? Come on, you know this? Think. Yes, answer is 5. Very good, children. Good job. Now, let's try this one. 3 plus 0 equals to? Come on, I know you know the answer. I told you this one. Think. Yes, answer is 3. When we add 0 to any number, number remains same. Let's count the birds. Count and answer. 1, 2. 2 birds plus 1 bird equals to? Yes, you are right. Answer is 3 birds. Well done, kids. So now you have seen addition is so much fun. I hope you all have learned addition concept very well. See you again. Bye. Thank you.